Dear students, today we will continue the acidifiers. As you know, the example of acidifier is dilute hydrochloric acid, and it is mentioned in your syllabus. What is the chemical formula of dilute hydrochloric acid? Is HCl, and it is 10% weight by weight, and its molecular weight is 36.46. Ingredients: hydrochloric acid and purified water. Hydrochloric acid is commonly known as spirit of salt because it was first of all prepared by distillating sea salt with sulfuric acid. It is an aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride in water and is having not less than 35% weight by weight and not more than 38% of HCl. Means dilute hydrochloric acid is prepared with stored with purified water. इसको किस में मिक्स करके स्टोर किया जाता है? वाटर के अंदर, और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्पिरिट ऑफ सॉल्ट. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड प्रिपेयर किया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सी साल्ट एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Sea salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. We have used in the house sea salt with sulfuric acid. So जो aqueous solution है हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड का वाटर के अंदर, वो कितना होना चाहिए? 35% वेट बाई वेट. मीन्स जो क्वांटिटी है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड की वो कितनी चाहिए? 35 ग्राम इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl, नॉट मोर देन 38% ऑफ HCl. मैक्सिमम इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 38%. नाउ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. It is manufactured by the action of sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. You can see the reaction. NaCl react with H2SO4. H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid and NaCl is the sodium chloride. So calculated quantities of concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium chloride are heated in the cast iron pans of salt cake furnace. The hydrochloric gas is formed, which is passed in a tower which is sprayed by water. मीन्स जो गैस इवॉल्व होती है हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड की, उसको किससे पास करते हैं? टावर से पास करते हैं, और उस पर हम क्या करते हैं? वाटर को स्प्रे करते हैं, जिससे कि वो जो गैस है वो किस में चेंज है? वो लिक्विड में चेंज है. द डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड is collected at the bottom of the tower. It is again circulated to the tower to absorb more hydrogen chloride so that it gets concentrated. The acid so produced is then purified. NaHSO4 formed in the process is mixed with some more quantity of sodium chloride and heated strongly in the Maffei furnace to get more hydrogen chloride gas. Means it formed the HCl gas which passed to the tower. We spray the water, it going to be diluted and collected in the form of liquid, but with this HCl some of the NaHSO4 is formed, so we again react this NaHSO4 with sodium chloride, then finally this also converted into the HCl, hydrochloric acid. Second way to prepare the hydrochloric acid is simply reaction between the hydrogen and chlorine gas. Both are gas both react with each other and to form the hydrochloric acid. During the manufacturing of caustic soda by electrolysis of sodium chloride solution, large quantities of hydrogen and chloride are obtained as byproducts. ये जो हाइड्रोजन और क्लोराइड है ये कहाँ से आता है? ये बाय द इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड solution. So these are used in the manufacturing of hydrochloric acid, and these gases combine to give the hydrogen chloride. What are the properties of hydrochloric acid? First is it is a colorless liquid, strongly acidic. It is miscible with water, alcohol, having a specific gravity of 1.18. Third is it is strong acid and attack metals, forming their hydrochlorides with the evaluation of hydrogen gas. Even in high diluted form, it is very strongly acidic to litmus. Next is identification of HCl. It is identified after the neutralization. It give reaction which are characteristic of chloride. Second, when it added to KMnO4 solution, chlorine gas is liberated. Simply you take add it to KMnO4 solution, then what it will give? Chlorine gas. Test of purity. It has to be tested for arsenic, heavy metals, sulfate, sulfite, free chlorine, bromide and iodine and residue on ignition. Means टेस्ट इसमें जो हम टेस्ट करते हैं प्योरिटी का वो किस किस का करते हैं? आपको पता ही है, जो इम्प्योरिटी फॉर्म में रहते हैं जैसे आर्सेनिक, हेवी मेटल, सल्फेट, सल्फाइड, फ्री क्लोरीन, ब्रोमाइड एंड आयोडाइड एंड रेजिड्यू ऑफ इग्निशन. ऐसे 4 grams of hydrochloric acid is transferred into a stoppered flask which is having 40 ml of water. Now the solution is titrated with 1 NaOH using methyl orange as indicator. The essay also in your analysis subject, you can study all the essay or method of essays in the analysis. So in analysis we simply take the hydrochloric acid with water and titrate it with the NaOH using methyl orange indicator. At end point it will give the color, and then we can calculate the quantity of hydrochloric acid in the sample. The reaction work in the titration reaction is NaOH, which is in the burette, and HCl, which is in the conic stoppered flask. When from the burette, when NaOH mix in the HCl, then it will form the NaCl plus H2O. It is a simple acid base neutralization reaction. Means NaOH is a base and hydrochloric acid is a acid. How we can store this HCl? It should be stored in well closed container of glass or other material at a temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius. Uses it. These are the most important part of the HCl. Uses: it is mainly used as a pharmaceutical aid or as an acidifying agent. It is also used as a gastric acidifier when level of hydrochloric acid in gastric juice are low, and it is extremely used as a solvent catalyst in basic pharmaceuticals as an acidifiers. So it is used as a pharmaceutical aid, as acidifying agent, as a gastric acidifiers, and in pharmaceutical industries as a acidifier or solvent. So in next class we will discuss antacids. So please remember all about the acidifiers. Thank you.